Did you stop it again?
Yeah.
Alright, take your screws out. That all goes in the steel pile. This is an older one, so the back's going to be steel also. Most of the new ones are plastic backings. But get that. Screwdriver, something to pry it up. That's what I do. Let's check it. These are from hard drives, my magnets. Get those for free. It goes in the steel pile. You go for your smaller screwdriver. This is my wife helping me videotape this. Just unscrew. Takes a little bit of time. Once you get the hang of it though, it goes pretty quick. This used to take me about 5 minutes. Now I can get it pretty much under 3. And these all go. See, they're sticking to the screwdriver, so you know they're iron, steel, or tin, whatever you're gonna sell it as. Pretty much the screws are all marked on this board, so it's pretty much easy to find. Just unscrew. Get these at any auto part shop or electronic shop. They can't talk. They pretty much hand them out for free, the businesses. Unscrew, all goes in the steel pile. And nope. There you go. Got your little plastic hooks there. Again with the screwdriver. Pop it up. Pop it up. Pop it. Twist it. All this is silver printing. Keyboards are all silver printing. That's what you're going to sell it for. And that's pretty much it. If you have a plastic recycling place in your community or wherever you sell, you can see what kind of plastic it is and see if they buy it. If not, it goes in the trash pile. But that's just aluminum foil. It's not even worth you trying to get that. Alright, that's how you do it. And you sell your wire.